my heart away, went a bit too far.
Hey beautiful babes, hey, your girl Sweet Angel back at you with another video right here on Sugar Fingers. Absolutely I am. Now I know y'all gonna get tired of the same outfit and these red lips, but that's okay. I'm gonna bring it to you anyway, because today is all about the business of handling my beautiful babes over here on Sugar Fingers. So many people have asked about the products that I use in my hair, so today we're going to talk about each and every one of them in detail. If you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Introduce yourself in the comments. Make sure you let me know what city and state or country you're tuning in from. We love to have you. So subscribe, hit the bell, and be ready to go the next time I got a video for you. And we're going to get into the products. I have everything, I think I do, everything that I use to style my hair with. Now you did get the video already right over here on how I color my hair. Since that time, yes, the roots are growing back in. It happens fast. That's the way it goes. So if you hadn't seen how I get my platinum hair, go ahead, check out the video that I have linked down below, as well as right here, like right here in the iCards, okay? So that way you'll have that process already down. All right, so we're gonna start after I color my hair and I bleach my hair, the shampoo that I use. Now, I did create a full video of that, and you should, if you're subscribed to Beauty by Sweet Angel, you should have that information. If you're not subscribed to Beauty by Sweet Angel, the link is below. Yes, it is. And the link is up here. Yes, it is. So I want you to go check that out. But this is my latest and greatest DIY shampoo. This is what I use in my hair because, again, color treating your hair, you need lots of nourishment, hydration, moisture, and things that feed the hair locks. What you do when you bleach your hair, you strip everything out, and this helps restore it all. Just a list of the items that I use are going to be on the screen, as well as the recipe. Hopefully I'll have room enough to list out the recipe again right under this video, but this is my own DIY shampoo. Not only does this wash my hair, but it helps to condition it as well. So it's pretty much a 2-in-1, 3-in-1. It's an all-in-one shampoo. So it takes care of everything that I need for my hair to be conditioned, cleansed, and fed. It's the one that I use. So check out the recipe and check out the video as well. Now, along the same lines, a lot of folks would love to know, how do you style your hair? What tools do you use? 3 little tools that I use. One thing that's always with me is a rat tail comb. This, it actually helps to style my hair. I use it when I'm color treating my hair as well, to comb through the product. I use it again to wisp out baby hairs, whatever the need may be. This little comb is a lifesaver always. You can get these at any little store. You've seen them around. Now, in order to help brush my hair a little bit, I don't do a lot of brushing of my hair, you know, just every now and then, and mainly on the back side to kind of lay down the back when I've cut it off. Ooh, that feels so good. Woo! I just use a brush like this. I don't even know what you call these brushes specifically, but they are good for brushing your hair. And you know the benefits of brushing your hair. It really helps to stimulate growth, and a lot of times when you wear these little shorty styles, you really don't brush your hair like most people do. I do try to get in at least once a week a good brushing of my hair. It's very invigorating, especially around my edges that tend not to grow full anyway. This really helps to stimulate that area, especially when I apply Jamaican black castor oil, which is pretty much all the time because it's also part of my shampoo. So therefore it really helps in keeping those edges intact. Love it so much. Feels so good. I don't want to let it go, but I got to. So when I'm styling my hair, once it's already styled, a lot of times your hair will get a little flat on top, especially like my hair is somewhat more of a different grade right in this area, so it doesn't really hold the fullness. So what I have to do is just pick it up, and I still use a pick. And I got a couple of these around and about the house that I use to just lift the hair and finish styling it and all of that. A pick. So these are the 3 items I use to style my hair with. And now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the products that I use. Now, I'm missing one in hand because I've already mixed all of my products together. So that one I'm going to share with you. This is glycerin. You know it. Y'all know I use glycerin in a majority of a lot of mixtures that I do, but glycerin really helps to lock in that moisture in your hair. It draws moisture into your hair. So this is the other thing that I use. Now, most of the curl activating products, all of this does contain glycerin, but I give myself an extra few drops of it to really nourish my hair and lock in that moisture. So now I'm missing one in hand because I've already mixed all of my products together. So that one I'm going to share with you is the Luster's S-Curl No Drip Curl Activator Moisturizer. Now that is one product that I've been using throughout the years from day one when I cut my hair off initially. I use that, plus I use the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. This is a moisturizing curl activator cream that I use as well. But what I do, half of this bottle, and I also have an extra bottle in the bathroom. I take half and half of each and mix them together. Why? If I don't, this one is super heavy, and the Luster's S-Curl Activator is just too liquidy. So mixing them together give me the perfect consistency to help moisturize my curls in my hair. Mixing these two is everything, okay? This is what I use for, you know, just styling my hair. But on top of that, I use the Soft and Free Grow Healthy Milk Protein and Olive Oil Foam Wrap Lotion. So this actually helps me to go ahead and style my hair, make waves, pull baby hairs around, swoop it around my face, however I want to do that. And it also dries down and helps my hair stay pretty much in place and styled without getting frizzy. But it's also so super moisturizing, nourishing for the hair, because yes, it does contain a milk protein and the olive oil, which is great for my hair. Just loves it. It soaks it up. And all in all, that is it. But as far as helping to keep my hair in my head without breaking off, especially when you sleep. Now, I don't sleep in scarves or bonnets or anything like that, but I do sleep on satin pillowcases. Satin, silk, whatever you can afford. But I do have satin pillowcases, which I will show you a picture of them right here on the screen. But you can also just easily pick up bonnets and so forth, but hubby doesn't care for that because that just looks crazy, and I don't either. And then I'll wake up with lines and stuff all around my head, and I don't want that. So I just opt for the satin or a silk pillowcase to sleep on, period. And that helps, you know, the hair not to be broken off or dried out. It really does help. Believe me, I've experienced a lot of years of wearing my hair color treated or my short hair or just leaving your hair out, and I promise you those pillowcases, satin or silk, will save your hair. Now, for the most part, that is it. So if you ever have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. Ask what you wish, and I'll be glad to share it with you. But that is my routine as far as my hair is concerned. Very simple, not a whole lot going on. The only thing I probably put more effort into is probably the shampoo, and that's about it. Okay, it's time to style the hair. So as y'all know, I use plenty of glycerin to help lock in the moisture in my hair. Just lather it in. And I've showed y'all time and time again how I mix up my Cantu moisturizing curl activator and also the Luster's S-Curl spray-on moisturizing activator. I put them on the screen. I can't recall the exact names, but this is what's in here. Just a mixture of those two, plus a little Jamaican black castor oil, as you can see right there. So castor oil is my friend, okay? Yes, it is. So just gonna slather this in. Slather, what a word, eh? Yes, honey. One thing about hair is whatever you take out of it, when this bleaching goes on, whatever you take out, you gotta put it back in. So plenty of yummy products to moisturize it and lock in the moisture, because you're stripping it pretty much when you color your hair. That's what bleaching is. Do you know that? Okay. Milk protein and olive oil. This is by Grow Healthy. Soft and free, Grow Healthy. A little bit left in here, but y'all know I got my stash already ready to fill up again. So, boom. This is a foam. Like a styling foam for me, kind of. That's why I said I'm going to kind of try to swerve it a little bit. Once I swerve it, then I kind of push it just a little bit, push it up, push it up. Now once she dries a little bit, I will go ahead and fluff up the top a little bit more. And that's really it. Oh, that's really it. I know it don't look like much at this moment because it's kind of wet right now. So that's about it. I'll just taper down those flyaway edges with some more of the foam here. What do they call it? They call it foam wrap lotion, as a matter of fact. It is in fact a wrap lotion. So you can use this on permed hair as well, so it's really good, really nourishing, and really, you know, it's great for, I don't know, it has some healthy nourishments in here. So I'm your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. I really do appreciate it. I hope I'm bringing the content that you're asking for. Give me a moment. If I haven't brought it, I surely will. Just let me know what you're looking for in the comments. Also, hang out with me on my community page, and I'll be sharing information. I'll be sharing polls, and I'll be sharing upcoming giveaways. So stick and stay right here. All you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell, and it takes your hands to do what you do with whatever you do. So please keep those hands looking gorgeous. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
But when you go left, I'm stuck here.